Changing the phone number on your Shopify account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to account settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select Account to access your account details. Step 3. Edit contact information. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Contact Information. Here, you will find your current phone number listed. Click on the Edit button next to this section. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the designated field. Ensure that you include the correct country code if applicable. Double-check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, scroll down and click on the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. Now you have successfully changed the phone number on your Shopify account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for assistance.